Did you know that 90% of supply chain failures happen because of one simple mistake? A single shipment delay can cost a business lakhs or even crores. But what if I told you that mastering India's logistics system can give you a massive advantage over competitors? Welcome to Freight and Trade Simplified, where we break down complex logistics into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're a business owner struggling with supply chain issues or a beginner stepping into import-export, this is your ultimate guide to logistics in India. The supply chain is like a well-oiled machine. When everything moves smoothly, businesses thrive. But when a single cog breaks down, the entire system collapses. From manufacturing to final delivery, each step is critical. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of moving goods efficiently across India. Step 1. Sourcing and manufacturing. Every product starts at its source: factories, farms, or manufacturers. Quality checks are performed and the goods are packed, labeled, and prepared for transportation. Step 2. Freight forwarding and transportation. Next, logistics providers take over. Depending on the urgency and destination, goods are transported by road, rail, air, or sea. Step 3. Customs clearance. For international shipments, customs clearance is a crucial step. Incorrect documentation can cause delays and penalties. Ensuring compliance with import-export laws is vital. Step 4. Warehousing and distribution. After clearance, goods are stored in warehouses before being distributed to various locations. Efficient inventory management helps in avoiding delays. Step 5. Last mile delivery. Finally, the most critical part: delivering the product to the customer. Whether it's a bulk shipment or an e-commerce parcel, timely delivery ensures customer satisfaction. Step 6. Common mistakes and pro tips. Many businesses make costly mistakes like choosing unreliable logistics partners, ignoring tracking systems, or failing to optimize transportation costs. But with the right knowledge, you can avoid these pitfalls. Stay till the end as we share expert strategies to streamline your logistics and save both time and money. Upcoming videos, we share expert strategies to streamline your logistics and save both time and money. Mastering logistics means mastering business. Now take action and streamline your supply chain.